How's it going, everyone? This is cryptoFOXXY. Hope your day is going really well. In this video, I want to talk to you a bit about Solana as well as Polkadot, two of one of the biggest altcoins that I am watching for this bull market. Uh, I mean, we've been running. We can definitely call this, bullish momentum, etc. So, I just want to bring to you some news regarding Solana. Selling pressure related to FTX as well as what's going on with Polkadot. All right, so let's get into our video. Before we do, remember to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and my cat is meowing, and let's get into it. All right, so we can see here that are we going to see a turn for Solana and Polkadot? And it definitely bringing up some curiosity. So the crypto market has recently caught a wave of positive momentum, pushing its overall value past the $1.3 trillion threshold, which is a robust sign of health for digital assets. Ethereum has been at the forefront of this rally with a substantial gain, rekindling interest in the $2,000 level. Despite a brief dip of Bitcoin under 35K, the market's mood remained upbeat, bolstered by the potential of US Bitcoin ETF, spot ETF, and the Fed's current stance on interest rates. So the Fed did actually elect for a pause this month, and that has definitely been some fuel to the fire for cryptocurrencies. We can see Solana. Solana had some moves. Some drama around FTX. There was some sell-off speculation in regards to FTX with Solana. So whispers at FTX alleged transfer of a staggering $750,000 Solana tokens to Binance hinted at the start of a sell-off. This is unsettling for investors. People don't know what's going to happen here or what is specifically going on. So any an uneasement like that causes investors to lose confidence and maybe start selling off some of their assets just to be safe. So we have seen the price quiver through the price of Solana, which has seen a modest retreat over the past 24 hours. Investors are on high alert still, parsing through the tea leaves to predict. I love how this writing in this article. Parsing through the tea leaves to predict the impact of FTX's moves on the asset's liquidity and price stability. So Solana finds itself delicately perched between $38.20 and $42.15, while speculators are keenly eyeing the $43.48 level, which marks the next resistance. So that's some levels that we are watching right now. As the market digests the latest news from FTX, the direction of the next major move of Solana hangs in the balance. So, are we going to see Solana, come out of this? Are they going to, sell off like small increments? Are they going to dump? We don't know. I do know that they talked before about selling off assets and they were going to do it incrementally, but we don't know what they're going to do, obviously, going forward. So they're digesting the news. We're going to see what happens with the price of Solana. Polkadot. So Polkadot is standing out with continuous development efforts. The recent Messari report points to the imminent completion of Polkadot 1.0, a precursor to the much anticipated Polkadot 2.0. So the rollout of these advancements is incredibly well timed for the market. Is turning bullish. We see active developments in coins and tokens usually does rise. So that's not really out of the ordinary. Polkadot is currently oscillating between $4.52 and $4.85. The resistance zone is clearly aligned with a 1-month high of $4.90, suggesting that a break above could signal a strong uptrend, potentially challenging the 13-week high near $5.10. So indicators like the 3 to 10 MACD oscillator are hinting at a possible deceleration in momentum as the oscillator shows stalling signs around the $4.75 area. So when it gets up to about there, it's showing that volume is kind of starting to slow down there. It could mean the ascent of DOT may require a strong catalyst to breach the $4.85 resistance. So we're looking at supports at 452 and 442. So yeah, that's what we can, possibly expect for both of these coins. Both of them are on my watch list. I previously held both in my portfolio until the bear market. Before the bear market, I did sell off most of my assets. Um, except for things that I was going to continue to dollar cost average on, things that I've already gotten in cheap. So yeah, Polkadot and Solana are definitely two that are on my radar. I was actually going to pick up some Solana back in the summer when it was low, and then bam, it just I don't know what it just all of a sudden it just got such bullish momentum, and people were just picking it up probably because of the cheap prices. And yeah, I kind of missed out on that, but I'm just waiting. Was waiting for it to back off a little bit so I can get back in. And yeah, I'm gonna see what goes on here. So that's what I got for you in this video. Thanks so much for tuning in. Those are some resistance and some support levels to take a look at. And obviously make your own decisions. It's not financial advice, but peace, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.